Hey guys, Britt from WB Trees Consultants here, doing great buildings of the Southeast. We are at the Bell Tower at NC State University, Raleigh, North Carolina, my hometown. The Bell Tower began construction in 1921, actually as a memorial to the fallen soldiers of World War I. It was, and there's the top of it. It is actually dedicated on the other side to the glory of Almighty God. Construction for the NC State Bell Tower began in 1921. Funding for it came and went over time. It wasn't completed until 1937, 16 years later.